Hey guys, DJ Ravine here with Point Blank Music School, and we are on the beautiful white island of Ibiza for IMS Ibiza, so let's go. Oh yeah, I don't have a cameraman. So as you guys might already know, Point Blank Music School also has one in Ibiza. So let's go and check that out right now. So here at Point Blank Ibiza, you can learn how to DJ and produce in a simple 2-week course. The great thing about that is, it's during the peak of summer, and that means all the clubs are open. So you can go and study, and then you can go clubbing. Also, Point Blank can organize your accommodation, and it's way cheaper than staying here and finding it yourself. And also, you're in the Ibizan countryside, and it is beautiful. Smells like clubbing. Ran into some more students from Point Blank.
Yeah, we ready.
How you guys enjoying IMS so far?
Oh, it's been amazing.
Meet any cool people?
Yes, we met Todd Terry last night.
I have no idea who that is.
He's an amazing DJ, and we've been going to some talks, and they've been great. And we've been chilling by the pool and getting free drinks.
Free drinks are always good.
I used to be wowed by net. That was my huge thing. You know, as I mean, like, oh, you're making $500,000 a show to play this festival. Holy shit, dude. Like, I only have to play 2 shows and I'm a millionaire. Not true. Full disclosure here. I just wrapped a 3-week-long tour in Asia where we netted about, or we grossed about 1.6 million. But if you go down the P&L, with a 5% contingency, which I don't think we dipped into too much, I walk home from that with $180,000. Well, you know, only, boo-hoo, poor Joel. But to put it in perspective, on the blogs, all you see is just like, wow, he gets this per show. No, I get like about, on a good day, 14% of that. Tell me either way, what's going on with this love, with this love.
So there's a lot of small parties at IMS Ibiza, and we're going to the most fun party, IMS Adult Villa Party. King?
Absolutely, man. Let's do it, man.
All right.
It's gonna be good fun.
We're gonna do, keeping all your secrets, can't promise a thing, yeah, we got nothing to lose. I know we both had enough, it's not only you that's moving on. Tell me either way, what's going on with this love, with this love.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Well, that was my first time in Ibiza, and it was amazing. IMS Ibiza is a place to be. If you want to network and learn more about the music industry, it's definitely the place you need to go. All right, back to London, back to the old grind. See you guys around.